They told seniors that vision loss is inevitable. They lied. For years, older adults have been told that fading eyesight is just a natural part of aging. But shocking new science reveals a different story, one most doctors won't tell you. In fact, 99% of seniors are unaware that their vision decline isn't primarily caused by aging at all. The real culprits? Chronic low-grade inflammation and silent nutritional deficiencies that slowly wear down the delicate tissues of the eyes, especially the retina. What if there was a natural way to fight back? Groundbreaking research now shows that just one type of seed, often overlooked, can help reduce vision loss by up to 31% in just 90 days. That's right, one powerful seed. But there's a reason you haven't heard about it, because there's no profit in it. Natural remedies like this threaten a billion-dollar vision industry built on surgeries, expensive drops, and ever-stronger prescriptions. In today's video, we're exposing the truth the industry doesn't want you to know. Backed by peer-reviewed science and real clinical results, we'll reveal 7 science-backed seeds that don't just protect your vision. They may actually help restore it. Stay tuned until the end. We'll count down from the least known to the most powerful seed for eye health, ranked number 1. These are not trends. They are real tools for seniors who want to reclaim their sight, independence, and quality of life. Before we begin, comment below. Where are you watching from? What's your age? Has your vision changed in the last few years? And what have you tried to protect it? We're reading every comment and offering personalized tips. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health breakthroughs. Number 7. Sunflower seeds, the antioxidant shield. At first glance, sunflower seeds may seem like a simple snack. But inside these tiny kernels lies a potent dose of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for eye protection. Vitamin E works by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that build up as we age and silently damage the retina, the thin layer of light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye responsible for sharp vision. As oxidative stress increases, our retina becomes vulnerable to deterioration, especially under conditions like dim lighting. That's where sunflower seeds step in. According to a study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology, regular consumption of vitamin E-rich foods, such as sunflower seeds, reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, by 25% over a decade. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds, the zinc gatekeepers of the retina. Often praised for their magnesium or sleep support benefits, pumpkin seeds also deliver a powerful dose of zinc, a mineral critical for healthy vision. Zinc plays a key role in transporting vitamin A to the retina, where it helps form melanin, the pigment that protects the eyes from UV and blue light damage. Yet zinc deficiency is surprisingly common among seniors, especially those with digestive or absorption issues. Without enough zinc, the retina weakens, and your risk of macular degeneration increases sharply. The science backs this up. A major clinical trial published in Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science showed that seniors who supplemented with zinc had a 21% lower risk of progressing to advanced AMD. Number 5. Chia seeds, the microscopic giants for retinal defense. Don't be fooled by their tiny size. Chia seeds pack a nutritional punch that's transformative for aging eyes. Their most powerful contribution comes from their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, especially alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a plant-based form that's been scientifically shown to combat chronic inflammation in the retina. You see, as we get older, our eyes become battlegrounds for silent, low-grade inflammation. This type of inflammation doesn't cause pain, so it's often ignored, but it gradually thins the retina, dries out the eyes, and can even trigger tiny blood vessel leaks that blur or block vision. The most vulnerable area, the macula, the central part of your retina that controls sharp, straight-ahead vision. Damage here leads directly to difficulties reading, recognizing faces, or seeing clearly in low light. But chia seeds offer natural protection. A randomized controlled trial published in Nutrients, 2019, found that daily intake of ALA omega-3s improved retinal blood vessel function and significantly lowered inflammation markers within just 8 weeks. That's not all. Chia seeds also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that act like built-in sunglasses. They absorb directly into the eye, especially the retina, and help block harmful high-energy blue light and UV rays, protecting your sight from daily screen exposure or sunlight damage. Number 4. Flax seeds. The tear-supporting seed for dry, aging eyes. Among the most overlooked causes of eye discomfort in seniors is tear film instability, a problem where your eyes can't maintain the thin protective moisture layer that keeps vision crisp and comfortable. And one of the most effective natural solutions? Flax seeds. Flax seeds are an incredibly rich source of ALA omega-3s, but what sets them apart is how they support the tear film's lipid layer, the oily shield that prevents your tears from evaporating too quickly. When this layer breaks down, which happens more often after 60, eyes become dry, gritty, and prone to redness or blurry vision. A clinical study published in the journal Cornea, 2015, found that seniors who took flaxseed oil daily experienced a 42% improvement in dry eye symptoms within just 30 days, a remarkable number in a population where dry eyes are often considered normal. Flax seeds also contain lignans, compounds that act as antioxidants to protect both the lens and retina from oxidative stress. This means they don't just relieve dryness, they help slow long-term eye degeneration. Number 3. Black sesame seeds, the retinal circulation boosters. Long used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, black sesame seeds are a powerhouse for vision, particularly for the blood vessels that nourish and support your retina. What makes black sesame so valuable? Their high concentration of vitamin B1, zinc, and unique antioxidants like sesamin and sesamoline, which have been studied for their ability to strengthen microcirculation and reduce oxidative damage. This is crucial for seniors, especially those with diabetes or circulatory issues, since the tiny vessels that feed the retina are highly vulnerable to leaking, bleeding, or scarring, a key factor in diabetic retinopathy and age-related retinal disease. A 2020 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that regular black sesame consumption significantly improved retinal blood flow and lowered oxidative stress markers within 6 weeks, suggesting real protective effects against retinal damage. Number 2. Hemp seeds. Let's talk about a nutritional powerhouse that often flies under the radar. Hemp seeds. These tiny, nutty seeds are one of the rare sources of gamma-linolenic acid (GLA), a unique omega-6 fatty acid that doesn't promote inflammation like most omega-6s. In fact, it actively reduces inflammation, and this matters profoundly when it comes to your eye health, especially as you age. You see, one of the most delicate and vital components of your visual system is the optic nerve, a dense bundle of over 1 million microscopic nerve fibers. Think of it as the main cable that transmits all visual data from your retina to your brain. If this nerve becomes inflamed or deteriorates, your vision can start narrowing from the periphery inward. This kind of slow, silent damage is the hallmark of glaucoma, a condition that often develops without obvious early symptoms until significant vision loss occurs. But here's the good news. GLA from hemp seeds has shown real promise in protecting this fragile nerve. In fact, a study published in Current Eye Research revealed that GLA supplementation led to a 28% improvement in ocular blood flow and slowed optic nerve damage in glaucoma patients over just 90 days. Now we reach number 1 on this list, the most powerful seed-based protector of eyesight known to science. One that even most doctors don't mention. Number 1. Saffron. Technically not a seed but derived from the dried stigmas of the saffron crocus flower, saffron contains compounds that are being hailed as vision-saving miracles, especially for seniors battling age-related macular degeneration, AMD. The magic lies in crocin and crocitin, 2 powerful carotenoids that go beyond antioxidant support. These compounds directly repair and restore the function of photoreceptor cells, those incredibly sensitive cells in your retina that detect light and send signals to your brain. As we age, these cells begin to break down, leading to central vision loss, muted colors, wavy lines, and even blank spots. But saffron does something remarkable. It doesn't just shield these cells from further damage. It can actually improve their function. In a landmark clinical trial published in the British Journal of Ophthalmology, researchers gave patients with early-stage dry AMD 20 milligrams of saffron extract per day. The results? Within 3 months, patients showed significant improvements in visual acuity and retinal sensitivity. Their vision didn't just stop declining. It actually began to improve. Saffron isn't just a culinary spice. It's one of the closest things science has found to natural retinal regeneration. But here's the key. It only works when taken consistently, in the right dose, and from a genuine source. Many saffron supplements on the market are diluted or fake, so look for high-quality, lab-certified brands. We're not saying seeds can replace your ophthalmologist, but they can work with your treatments, slow the disease, and in some cases, even reverse early damage. Now you know the 7 seeds that could protect and even restore your eyesight. Not with surgery, not with painful injections, but with real food, with powerful science, with nature's pharmacy. So start today. Just one seed, one change, one new habit, because vision loss doesn't wait. And now that you know what's possible, neither should you. If you found this helpful and want to keep feeling your best as you age, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a tip on healthy aging. Have you tried blueberries in your daily meals? How do you enjoy them? Smoothies, salads, or maybe oatmeal? Share your favorite combos in the comments below and tell us where you're watching from. We love hearing from our amazing senior community. Let's stay strong, sharp, and energized together. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.